Today I am back, and I will be doing my first test video on the Hoover Elite Whole House Vacuum. So first thing you want to do is pull out the cord, because it is a rewind. So you just want to pull it out until you see the red, and then press the untrack button a little. And then I'm going to plug it in. Sorry. Okay, so now we're going to vacuum my living room and hallway. So here we go. We're going to turn it on and vacuum. And actually, I'm going to raise this all the way up. So here we go. And this is the one that you can turn the brush roll off to do your hard floor surface. Whoops, actually unplugged the vacuum. And you guys can see it lays pretty low. And it is a good vacuum, because it is getting up the dog hair. now I'm going to do this part of the living room. The front entrance. So now to do that, you can press this button and that shuts off the brush, and then lower it down to bare floor. So now you can vacuum the bare floor. And you guys can see the brush is not spinning until I do this. See? I don't know if you guys can see that little piece right there. Watch. Going. So this is all of the dirt that I was able to get out of my carpet with the whole house Elite Hoover. And I have vacuumed yesterday. So that is actually a pretty good amount. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.